Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Number one. Do 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 do.
Yeah. One, two, there's nothing to do.
Well, hi, Chewbacca.
Hi. What do you want, Red?
You sound different. It sounds like you're tired. Okay, guys, come here. Okay, we came here to see if Red's allowed in here.
Oh, no. Only for name Chewbacca. I'll let you get out.
Okay, Chewbacca. Oh, my name's Chewbacca, and we're twins. You guys are not twins. You're not brown, red. You're red. Which your name's red. Yeah. Hey.
You never come back. You too.
Hey.
No.
What are you doing? Don't say
Mario.
Mario. I wasn't even doing nothing.
Yes,
okay. No. What am I? I was just lying down.
Well,
yeah. Well, it looks like you're Charmander. He was about to say Charmander.
Everybody get out of the room. Guys, not back in here, down here. And only for name Chewbacca, get out.
I can explain, Chewbacca. Hey. Hey.
I don't want ever see you get in here.
Guys, we gotta get a plan. You mean we? Guys, we need a plan.
I can hear you, know.
Guys, I'm so mad at Chewbacca. Me too. Me three. Not me. Are you serious, Orange? Okay, guys, let's have a plan. Okay. Okay, guys, so we have a plan. So, guys. Okay, I'm gonna be the only bird in this room to come in. Yeah. Wait, what? Why did you say that, Red? I don't know, but guys, so Chewbacca, so you guys distract Chewbacca, and I'm gonna go in and sneak it in, okay? Got it. Whatever, though. Okay, do you? Okay. Oh, okay, fine. Let's go distract him. Good. The stranger. I'm cold. Can you let me in, please?
I know who you guys are.
What? No. I just want to come in.
You're
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got orange. I could come in.
Get in. I'm gonna back off some.
Move. Come on, Chewbacca. Get out. You guys get out. Yeah. Yes. Finally, victory is mine. Oh. No, sorry, dear. Stay out. Sorry.
Birds only. I'm a bird. See?
Why, Red? Why would you do this?
Wait, no, we need to make a plan. We need to make a plan.
Okay, what?
You guys go there, distract him. I'll use my magic and freeze him, and I'll push him out up from all the way to space.
To space? But he's going to... Okay. Oh, I'm gonna put it back here, down here. Okay, there. Now we can see easily. Birds only. Yeah? No, not you guys. Oh, I'm gonna come in. Hey, you're a bird? Yeah, what did you expect? Oh, hi. Come on, you can come in. Yay! Are you kidding me? Whoa, Chewbacca, looks like it's time to leave. Come on, Chewbacca, let's leave. Come on. Whoa, what? Guys, what are you... I'm back, so what are you doing? Hey, nope. Go. You, Jerry's in here too? Chewbacca, what are you doing? Get out. Get out. Get out.
Oh, I thought it'd never work.
Dude.
Go back.
Oh. Hey, what is Jacob doing here too?
Go off piece of me.
Guy, I'm out. This is stupid.
And no birds allowed.
Fine. What are you gonna do to me?
Job well done.
Hey, Chewbacca, what happened to Red?
He went to space. Yeah, so bye-bye. And only Chewbacca's allowed.
Come on, guy, let's get out of here.